Hello friends, welcome to Wisdom Jobs, and my name is Syed Gori. I am a history faculty, and today's topic is the rise of Magadha, the importance of Magadha in the 6th century BC that became super paramount power and a monarchical state in the history of the Shodasa Mahajanapadas. There were 16 Mahajanapadas in the 6th century BC emerged in India. Out of the 16 Mahajanapadas, Magadha became super paramount power. Magadha became superpower out of 16 Mahajanapadas. Let us discuss the factors responsible for the supreme power of Magadha. The importance of this Shodasa Mahajanapadas. Magadha was one of the Mahajanapadas. The capital was Pataliputra. And the first capital was Rajgir and later shifted to Pataliputra. Right. And before that, we have to focus the greatness of Magadha. Causes for the rise of Magadha. First thing is geographical factors. Geographical factors. Geographical factors played an important, vital role in the development of any country or any state, any nation. Geographical factors influence in the growth and the development of any nation, any country, any state. So here also the Magadhan state became super paramount power because of its geographical factors. Magadha enjoyed the geographical advantage in the 6th century BC. Let us discuss. First thing is, what are the geographical factors? So Magadha is located in Bihar. It is located in Bihar. The first capital was Rajgir, Rajagriha or Rajgir. And the second capital was Pataliputra. Pataliputra, present Patna, the capital of Bihar. Right. Now, geographically, Magadha situated in Bihar, and the capital Pataliputra is located the confluence point of Ganga, Gandak and Son. The confluence point of Ganga, river Ganga, Gandak and Son river. Right, this is the confluence point of Ganga, Gandak and Son, and that is Pataliputra. And this Rajgir is surrounded by hills, largest hills. This is also one of the important factor for the rise of Magadha. The reason is, and these hills are serving as the barriers, natural barriers to the Magadha, the first capital of Magadha. First thing is geographically this place is conducive for the growth of agriculture due to the heavy rainfall. And number two, fertility of soil is also high. Fertility of soil is also high. And number three is Magadha is famous for iron cores. Geographically, and this place is situated very close to the minerals and mainly iron. And this Magadha is also famous for elephants. What is it? Elephants which are used in the military, mainly Gazadal. There are Chaturanga Balas in the history of India, ancient history of India. Chaturanga Balas. One is infantry, that is Padatidal or Kalbal. Second one is Ashvadal, means cavalry. Third one is elephantry, and fourth one is chariot. These four, out of these four, elephants played a major role in the history of Magadha. So geographically, this is located the high rainfall region. Next to second thing is fertility of soil is more in Magadha. And next third thing is it is also famous for iron ores, and the fourth thing is famous for elephants, And now let us discuss, when the rainfall is high, then what happened? What will be the status of agriculture? Agriculture is also high, and therefore the production is also high due to the heavy rainfall. And second thing is fertility of soil. When fertility of soil is high, then the production is also high. When the iron ores, through this iron ores, Magadhan rulers, they created different types of implements, tools, iron tools, which are used in the agricultural sector to convert the wastelands into agricultural lands, and forests were cleared and all wastelands were converted into agricultural lands. Then what happened? Production again increased, and this shows a positive impact in the agrarian sector or agriculture sector. When the production is increased, what happened? When the production in agricultural economy, when the production is increased, then what happened? Surplus is also increased, and then surplus is increased, then what happened? Trade and commerce. This surplus led to the trade and commerce. The surplus is led to the trade and commerce. First, the all factors responsible for the growth in the agriculture economy or agriculture sector. So all factors responsible for the conducive of agriculture sector. In this agriculture sector, first thing is production is increased due to the high fertility of soil, and due to this heavy rainfall, and due to the sophisticated tools and weapons used in the agricultural sector. These three are located or available in the Magadha region. So production is increased. When production is increased, what will be the status of surplus? Surplus is also increased. Then surplus is increased, what will be the status of taxation? So king started moving certain part in the form of taxation, in the form of taxes. And then third thing is, when surplus is increased, then it led to the trade and commerce. When trade and commerce when it facilitated for the growth of trade and commerce much more, then this trade and commerce give more profits. Then with these profits led to the construction of cities and the construction of the development of the state Magadha, and through these profits the state can enjoy the collection of taxes, causing the taxation, and these all things comes under geographical factors. And second thing is human factors or man-made factors or kings. The kings of Magadha, they followed the policies of annexation. Annexation means conquering the neighbor states through wars or battles. And the second thing is matrimonial alliances. Matrimonial alliances is also one of the important factor responsible for the development of Magadha as a superpower in the 6th century BC. Matrimonial alliances. The kings of Magadha, they started marrying the princes of neighbor states. When they started marrying the princes of neighbor states, they, along with the princess, they received dowry in the form of the states. And next, third thing is diplomacy. Diplomacy was also played by the Magadhan rulers. These three factors are also very, very important. One is annexation, and number two is matrimonial alliances, and number three is diplomacy or having friendly relations, having cordial relationship with the neighbor states, right? The best example is Pratyuta Mahasena was the king of Avanti, and he was suffering from jaundice. But the Magadhan ruler, the contemporary ruler was Bimbisara. He cleverly sent his court physician Jivaka to cure the disease of Pratyuta Mahasena. And hence what happened? Pratyuta Mahasena, after purifying, and then immediately he donated half of the Avanti part to Magadha. This is how Magadha became super paramount power. These things are also the greatness of the rulers. And the rulers are monarchs. Monarchs are dictators, are autocrats. And here in monarchical state, the decision making process is very fast, and the decision making process is, and the implementation of the decisions and the implementation of taking decision is also, this process is also very speed. So this speed up the development of Magadha. But this facility was not there for the republican states. So monarchical states enjoyed the decision making process. And next, annexation. Let us discuss the part of annexation. In the history of India, Ajatashatru was the first ruler who introduced sophisticated instruments and weapons and machineries in the warfare. The missionary was Rata Musala, as we are watching this, like a chariot which consists iron blades to kill the foes or enemy forces. And this instrument played a vital role in the warfare, introduced by Ajatashatru and his Senapati or commander-in-chief Vasak. And then one more instrument, Mahashila Kantaka. One more instrument, this is Mahashila Kantaka. What is this? Mahashila Kantaka. This instrument, Maha means great, Shila means stone, Kantaka means skills, right? An instrument or a machine which throws large stones over the enemy forces. And these instruments in the history of India, first time introduced by Ajatashatru, and he emerged victorious over the enemy forces through these sophisticated instruments and machineries, right? So these all are the factors made responsible for the growth and the development of Magadha. Thus, Magadha became super paramount power in the history of India during the time of Shodasa Mahajanapada, 16 great kingdoms. Right? Thank you. So, could you kindly subscribe our channel before watching this video, and kindly do like, share and comment our video. Thank you, dear friends.